YouTube? Just finished up the cut. We're at the shop now, starting out the day with a tutorial on the boy. How did I just forget this fool's name? Ramon? I like drew a blank for a second. So shot a tutorial on this. This will be out in a couple days. Let me know what y'all think. But welcome to the vlog. Okay, so they're in here. Freddie and Gary are in here talking about betting on the Nuggets Laker game. What was the bet? If Gary, it's just no. It started off with flat $20. Then it escalated to if Gary won, he had to put a sticker on Freddie's station that said Gary's Freddie's daddy. Freddie wins. Gary has to put a sticker on his mirror at the station that says Dennis's bitch.
You heard that, Dennis?
That's the greatest bet I've ever heard in my life.
That was the sticker.
So my whole last 20 minutes has been me trying to convince Gary to take the bet. But now they're just back to a solid $20. So
Backstroke. Backstroke.
Backstroke. Gary's nickname is Backstroke, by the way. So
Backstroke Gary.
But yeah, so we're just in here working, talking smack, the usuals. But I got a little bit of a break.
I'm still your dad.
Oh hell no! Hell no!
Yeah, Gary.
No way! No way!
Is that on camera? Is that? Did you get
That's
Did you get that?
Yeah, I got it. Oh, I got it.
That.
All right, we're gonna get back to the day. Let's go. Okay, so check it out. So I got an interesting bet for my man David right here. So he said, I said, "How's your putt game?" He said what?
Cold with it.
Cold with it. He said he's Tiger Woods. So Tiger Woods, I'm challenging you right now. Best two out of three. Right. We'll shoot 3 shots. Whoever make the most out of those 3 wins the bet. Here's the bet. You win, free haircut. I win, I chop all your hair off.
Alright.
Ooh!
Alright.
Let's go. Let me set the camera up. Hold on. I'm gonna set the camera up. We're gonna be right with you.
He'll be cutting his hair off while.
Alright, here we go.
I'll be shaving it at home just the rest.
Here we go.
All right.
I'm not using that bullshit ball though. Use a real golf ball.
Oh, got some real ones over here for you.
Oh man.
Here we go.
All right. Wait. Move this fucking chair. Can't see shit.
Alright, there you go. There you go.
They're in your rights here, man.
Got him.
He's like, you don't have to leave. You can stay and watch it how you want it.
This was him. I can't see.
Good luck to you.
Good luck to you.
Did you miss? You suck.
And he fucking plays every day, all day. Nah, every day. Damn.
Hey, I'm trying to let the man.
Don't. He might be giving him a chance. He might be giving him a chance because you know Alex is good at this shit. He's done it a few times. Woo! Rejected, son. Rejected.
You only gotta make one.
Nah.
Otherwise,
he
he's doing the
gets 3 shots.
shootout.
But he
Otherwise,
gets
he's
3.
doing the shootout. I ain't getting no warm-up shot either, though. So
Oh, shut the fuck up, Alex.
Huh?
Alex
That's what I'm
is.
saying.
He didn't get no warm-up shots. Alex, you've got him before.
Oh Lord.
Come on, baby.
Nah, you got it. You got it.
Come on, Tiger Woods.
Hey, come on, Tiger Hood.
Oh!
No! He said what?
Cold with it.
Cold with it. He said he's Tiger Woods.
Uh-oh. I can see it going away.
He's in trouble.
The dentist special.
The Dennis special. And we're gonna take a picture of you, put it on the wall just if people want it.
Oh, let's
And
go on
it's
YouTube.
gonna-
Come on my YouTube
No,
channel.
but on the wall too.
For
That one
those of you that don't know, that's Dennis sitting in the chair.
that he's gonna get one.
I know who Dennis is. Come on,
All right,
baby.
come on, dog. No pressure. The Dennis. Oh! One more, baby. One more. Come on.
One more, baby.
Man, give me that white ball. Shoot that white ball. Hey, here.
Oh.
Get that white ball. That was fucking lucky. Right
Still
there.
recording? Okay, come on.
See, Alex trying to cheat you. That's why he didn't give you that ball. Like he said that one was the other one, huh?
The other one got like a grip.
First one he hit.
I know. He's about to make this shit, Alex. There you go. He's about to
And
make
he
this
hit
shit.
it clear through the window.
I hope he does, man. I hope he makes it.
If he makes it, then Alex gets the dentist. Got him! Got him! Damn!
All right, so now,
Wait, it's the draw.
it's a draw, so we gotta shoot it out. Okay, so
Run it back. Hey, wait. Whoever makes that first one.
first one to make it. Shoot again. First one to make it. I get a rebuttal.
You're
Actually,
next,
no, no.
You're next.
Fuck yeah, let me see that shit. First to make it.
The best
Hey,
one.
wait, Alex. Now you get 2 shots though. Now you get 2.
Now it's just one on
No,
one.
go down, go down. 2,
You gotta sink it
1.
first shot.
Straight up.
So okay, so if I make it, you get a rebuttal. If you make it, we
Wait, then work it down. Go 2 each. Work
Right.
it down. 2
No,
each,
just
and then
one
1.
shot now.
one shot, baby.
One shot.
They make that shit, son. You're gonna get a dentist. Oh!
Uh-oh.
Alright, 1-1. Get that. Let's get that white one.
Shoot.
Hey, homie, hit the white
Let
one.
him shoot. Oh,
He
Lord.
better pull his
He's a-
pants up.
Shit, Alex,
Get
he's
some
so-
cold air in there.
Oh.
That's what's causing it.
What?
His pants are down so low, it's getting cold air in the
Come on, baby.
This guy, no wonder he's missing the shots. Got it! Hey, Dennis was right. You were getting some air up in there.
Let's go. Pull the pants
Pull the pants up and went to work. Yeah.
Better hope I don't make it.
Alex, put your shorts up, dog. I hope he put up his pants and make that shit.
God.
Alex is getting a dentist. Oh! Keep going.
the
Keep
next
going.
You
To
thought?
the next one.
Damn! You thought?
To the next one.
Y'all see how I just tapped
Shot.
in, right?
Hold on.
Hold on.
This one's got luck on it.
Okay, let's hit that one. We'll shoot that one. He said this gracefully.
That shit was smooth, though. That shit was smooth.
Oh, Lord.
All right, dog. Put the pants up. Put the pants up, dog.
Oh,
Don't be slacking over there.
Alright.
I'm glad this was suspenseful too.
Right.
Got him! Got him! Let me check my homie out. That shit was smooth, dog. That shit was smooth.
We found it.
Woo! He's found that trigger finger. Alright, this is what
That
Alex
was the
can do.
first one that misses. Look.
Honestly, I don't think Alex got this. Oh!
Giving away the free
Play
one.
that shit in slow motion.
Giving away the free one.
Hey,
I couldn't have come down to a closer finish, huh?
that was crazy.
All right, man, you win.
All beating fast. I was like, damn, I'm finna lose my hair.
You win the free haircut, my friend. Let's go. All right, it's been a couple hours. I just got done with another cut. As y'all could tell, I'm on the floor right there, done with another cut. I have the shop to myself. Shop to myself, which means I get to listen to what I want to listen to, aka rap music. I'm listening to rap music. I have one more haircut. I'm gonna try to film it a little bit. What is that noise? What the hell? Oh, it's our exhaust fan. Okay, I'm gonna turn that off. Anyways, so ran home for a little bit. I forgot to get David's haircut too on film. That was the most intense putt battle ever. What y'all think of the? I should have went a little harder, huh? Anyways, the flower shop lady came through clutch. She so there's a flower shop next door, right there. Anyways, they be hooking us up with flowers and whatnot all the time. So she came over and dropped these off for me for the free ball. She said, anybody need some flowers? I said, I'll love them. I'm gonna give them to Mandy, surprise her with them. So yeah, but like I said, we about to get back to the rest of the day. All right, so unfortunately, I was talking to the homie too much to film it. I forgot. But we was getting amped about my Vegas trip on the 25th. So I can't tell you what I'm about to be doing. Just know it's about to be some epic shit. And no, hopefully I don't get COVID. But yeah, so I'm ending the vlog here. I think tomorrow, instead of a vlog, I'm gonna drop a tutorial. I have one that I need to edit tonight or tomorrow. So we'll see. You'll get either a vlog tomorrow or a tutorial. We'll see how I'm feeling. But anyways, I appreciate you guys watching. My voice is getting raspy from in here listening to Nuck If You Buck and all type of hype stuff. So anyways, I love y'all. If you're not a part of the team and you're new here, join the team, man. Just hit the red subscribe button or hit my face on the ending of the end video card on this, There's a little circle with my face on it. Click on that, subscribe to the channel, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.